Welcome back, editors. Today in this video I'm gonna teach you how you can make AI like zooms in Alight motion. If this tutorial hits 100 likes, I will drop the preset for everyone. So without wasting any more time, let's get into it.
Your voice is a wave on a distant shore. I close my eyes and you're here by my side. But I open emptiness inside. You're laughing, but it's not real.
Okay guys, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.